Welcome to Debrouille. Today let's build a kind of sled for my tiny table saw. I bought that table saw in a flea market for maybe 20 euros. After a while I realized I was missing a way to do crosscuts. So I made this little sled. This was actually one of the first videos I filmed nearly 3 years ago, and I'm now using it as a training exercise for video editing. This table saw doesn't have any tracks or rails, so I found a piece of melamine so it slides very nicely, and I built small rails that match the edge of the table. I made sure that all the screws are recessed so it doesn't catch on anything, and for that a small countersinking bit helps a lot. After making sure that everything was square to the blade, it was time to make the first cut. I stopped just shy of the end so that the board can keep a bit of integrity. And after adding a handle off camera because I lost the footage, I added paraffin so that the sled can slide much better on the table saw. Here it is, a simple little sled for a simple little saw. Thanks for watching.